Hey guys, this is Tim. Welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play the chord Gadd9. Gadd9. Very easy chord to play. So let's get started. Okay, this is the sound of Gadd9. Gadd9. Okay, to play Gadd9, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 3rd fret, and then finger number 2 on the 3rd string of the 4th fret, and then stretch your 3rd finger to string number 4 of the 5th fret, and then place your little finger on the very first E string of the 5th fret. Strum the bottom 4 strings. That is Gadd9. Again, first finger on string number 2 of the 3rd fret, finger number 2 on string number 3 of the 4th fret, finger number 3 on the 4th string of the 5th fret, and then your little finger on the 1st string of the 5th fret. Strum all strings but the top 2 strings. Gadd9. Okay, if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button after the video. I'd appreciate it. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligations. Just simply bookmarks my channel and your subscriptions so I can easily be found. Thank you for viewing today, and God bless you.